Adithya Nature Resort, Spa. 5 stars. Located within an 8-minute walk of Pookode Lake, Adithya Nature Resort and Spa in Bideri features a number of amenities including an outdoor swimming pool, a fitness center and a garden. Featuring a 24-hour front desk, this property also provides guests with a playground. The restaurant serves local and Chinese cuisine, as well as Indian and Asian dishes. We love the comfy beds and small terrace. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. Clean rooms. Staff including the restaurant staff. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.